I'm gonna get straight to it. What if I told you, without making a single dollar, posting on YouTube every day, posting videos, and still transform everything? Like, you want all the smoke, but don't even got no light. You know what I mean? Can't even start a fire. I'm gonna show you how to rub two sticks together and start a fire, because I've been studying YouTube for a good minute now, so I'm almost like a professor. I'm like a doctor at this now. So by the end of this video, you gonna understand why it's worth it. It's worth it just posting it on here, posting your own, making your own catalog, and just getting the content out there, getting your ideas out there, getting your opinion out there. And I know a lot of people scared to share their opinion, but they like butts. Everybody got one. So at the end of the day, you gotta share your opinion, because that's what's gonna make you different from the next person, is how you share your opinion, how you express your opinion, and just your unique perspective. So yeah, I'm gonna break that down at the end of this video. All right. So for one, I think the biggest reason why you shouldn't focus on monetization, you shouldn't focus on the dollar yet, because you want to bring the value there. You know what I mean? Once people know it's a pot of gold, you're gonna be able to charge a person how much ever you want to charge them, if they know that it's a treasure behind the door or something of value when you click the link. So I want you to focus on the value. Don't focus on the monetization. Just focus on the value. Put the right ideas in front of the right person, and so they can be able to grow from it. Like I said in one of my last videos, that I'm already seeing growth from. And it's kind of amazing, because look, I started posting consistently on YouTube since I think like October of last year, and I posted like 3 videos a month since then. So I'm on pace to do it again, but I want to turn it up a little bit more, because I see that it's picking up. So I want you to focus on the value, because value leads everything. You know what I mean? Because you want to get the value and you want to get the vision out there, and that's how you be able to build your community. So I want you to focus on just building the community, giving as much value as possible to this platform, because like I said, that we in it for the marathon. We all in here, we the mob. So since we the mob and we masters of business, we building a catalog, just like these artists that have catalog of music. We got a catalog of videos. We got a catalog of X, Y, and Z, and that's why you want to shop with me. You know what I mean? So we want to use this platform, put as much valuable information in front of this, in front of as many people as possible, and we going to make the most of this platform, because right now, I don't know, like it's like a glitch. Everybody says easy mode, but at the end of the day, I feel like it's how the algorithm always work. You know what I mean? You put the right information from the right people, they're going to show up. Like I said earlier, like a lot of people want all the smoke, but don't got no fire. They don't got no lighter. So I guarantee you this, if if you light yourself on fire, say that you walk in the middle of the road right now. I don't care if you in a small city or a big city. I don't care what attention level anybody on. You walk in the middle of that street with a big can of gasoline, you throw that all over you. That's the content. The gasoline is the content. The videos you posting without the dollar yet, right? The gasoline is all of that is just content. And then you light that on fire with that lighter. And I hope this video is that battery in your back, or that proverbial lighter, so you could go in the middle of the street and light yourself on fire, because I guarantee you, everybody going to tell their brother, sister, cousin, their grandma, to come look and watch what this person just set themselves on fire. So I want y'all to set yourself on fire with just the value alone, because like I said, we building a catalog. And you also talking to somebody that, like I said, I built my brand, I built my on other platforms that I'm not even using right now. Paid off of them, not from the platform. I got paid off from what I did outside the platform. So I definitely want y'all to look at it like that, man. I want y'all to take it really serious, be strategic about the information y'all put out there. I'm gonna let y'all know, these last couple of videos I posted, I recorded them and I edited them myself. But most of my videos, I got somebody else to edit them. Shout out my brother OT, taught me a lot. And another nugget I want y'all to have right now too, while I'm on the topic, right? A lot of people that I watch on YouTube are the creators, the ones that make the videos, the videographer, the cinematographers, the people that edit the videos, that does nice videos, and they're gonna teach you the cheat code is CapCut. But I look at their videos just to get that creative vision of how the aesthetics look, how they make their transitions. Because if you want to be the best, you got to watch the best and you got to be around the best. So they giving a lot of information out there. So a lot of creatives like OT, Eddie One Take, always do his numbers. He taught me a lot. So I just took what I've learned from others, from what I've seen on this platform, and now I'm making my own videos. So that's another reason why I feel like I could turn the numbers up as far as how many videos I could even post now. So don't worry about monetization right now. Just get the videos out there. Just get that message out there. And I believe everybody gonna see the results, because when I first started, I think I had about 220 subscribers. Right now, I got about 270. To me, that's about 50K. I mean, not 50K. Look, I'm already thinking in the future, man. I know I'm about to get that plaque. You know what I mean? So we on an 8-figure marathon. We gonna get that plaque. But end of the day, I want y'all to say 50 subscribers is a milestone for me. That's a big deal. You get what I'm saying? That's a big deal. So that's an accomplishment that I'm gonna put a badge on my own jacket. I mean, let me know. I bet I did that 50 subscribers. That mean that I'm at least putting something out there that's somebody at least like me. So like I said, opinions are like assholes. Everybody got one. So don't be scared to put that out there. And if you feel like you an a-hole, it's a whole community of a-holes that love being a-holes, and y'all can be a-holes together. So it don't matter who you are, what's your background, just put it out there, the value. This is another big reason that I think that is the reason why you want to go ahead and put the videos out there, is because of growth, skill development. Talking in front of the screen is not easy. Public speaking not easy. Something that you uncomfortable with is not easy, but the more you do it, the better you will get at it. So I want y'all to continue to just post. Like, you feel me? Y'all can post in the comments. Let me know how y'all feel, whatever struggles y'all going through, whatever questions y'all may have. We could top it up. We could talk. Like I said, I want you to be really engaging, because I understand that. I'm an introvert. I'm an introvert at heart. But at the end of the day, business first. And since business first, and I understand this is a platform where I'm building my catalog, I'm going to continue to better my skills. I'm going to continue to make the conscious effort to become better at something towards my big goal, my big picture, right? So I'm going to take a step every day. You know what I mean? I'm going to take a step every day. And this is a nugget I always tell all my mentees, everybody that I always known. And this is a big thing that I always done. 10 steps. You got to know, look, if you think you 7 steps ahead of me, or 5 steps, or 1 step ahead of me is not enough, man. I'm 10 steps ahead of most folks. Because most people don't have the wherewithal. Most people don't even know what they want to do tomorrow. Most people don't even know what they want to eat. Most people don't even know what they want to eat for the day. So, man, I know my next 10 steps, and I'm always planning on that. I'm a chess player. This is chess, not checkers. So you want to use your next 10 steps. Break it down. This is the beginning of the year, right? So your next 10 steps, your next 10 moves, you got to know that as clear as the next 10 steps in front of you right now. So wherever you at, look at your feet, look in front of you. What will be your next 10 steps? If you gotta get out the car, which I gotta do, so that'd be my first step. Then I gotta buckle right. Then I gotta make about another 20 to really even get to the door, to get to the store. That's how clear your steps need to be. If you need to get up off the toilet, I don't know why I keep bringing that up, but if you gotta get up off the bed, that's your first step. Whatever the case may be, that's how vivid your plans need to be. And break them down quarterly. Break them down in your small wins or your big wins, or whatever your big goals are. And don't master the little things, master the big things. So if it's knowing how to edit so you can post your own videos, it was for me, learn how to edit. CapCut is the cheat code. I'm going to say it. I said it once, I say it again, and I'll probably say it till I'm blue in the face. CapCut is a cheat code. It's a great platform. I don't even get paid by them, but it's a cheat code, and I ain't doing no gatekeeping. Like CapCut, and you can edit your own video. Stop playing. I got the pro version, but you have to be the master of your own fate. If somebody else could control your output, that's a position I don't want to be in. That's a position that I'm not willing to deal with. So always develop your skills so you can be able to do what you want and not what you can. right? So I want y'all to be able to do what y'all want and not what y'all can. And that's the whole purpose of this. Capital minded, we want to get the most out of what we got. Resourcefulness is the biggest or the best skill. And you don't need the biggest camera, you don't need the nicest camera. Just get the video out there. Just pick up the phone and talk. Just simple. Pick up the phone and talk. Say, talk. Pick up the phone, talk. It don't matter what you say, you're going to get better at it. You're going to develop your skill. And after a while, you could continue posting. You're going to know what you prefer, what do you like, how you prefer to put it out, and what your audience like as well. So don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. I got this nice bar from this lady that I met from one of these boot camp. For the boot camp I went to, she said, don't over fry the fish. You know what I mean? Because if you fry fish, it don't take that long to cook. But if you over frying it, thinking it ain't done, and you take it out and it's all tough. Ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about if y'all in the kitchen. Don't over fry the fish. Don't overthink. Just get it out there and we want to see. Let them decide, because you could post as many as you want. It's not a limit on how many videos you can post. Y'all know that. It's not a limit. And we pass fears, right? We pass fears, so we not scared to post no more. I'm speaking that in all y'all existence. So we developing our skills. It's an 8-figure marathon. I'ma say it. So I'm gonna be real. Like, of course, we're not gonna do this and not expect to get paid for real. But I don't want y'all getting hung up on not getting paid to the point where y'all not posting, because I want y'all to look at it like this. You want more horses in a race. Our goal is 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. So the more videos you post, the more horses you have in the race. I know some videos got like, maybe you get 8 watch time hours. You probably get 2, 1. Some videos do better than others, but that's why it's important for you to test what your audience like, put more horses in the race, because look, we went from blockbusters to Netflix. We just had to take a trip to go to the movies. Now all we gotta do is to pull out our phone and just tap a button because we subscribe. So it's the same way when it comes to this internet. If they don't get the information from you, they're gonna get it from somewhere else. And then it's a microwave era. Like, we grew up in a microwave. We don't even use microwaves no more. I don't even use the oven no more because I'm using air fryers. Like, I want y'all to let that sink in right quick. I don't know when the last time I used an oven, Mo. It's air fryers. So I want y'all to know, like, things come a lot quicker. The best way y'all get there, put more horses in the race, get y'all cap cut. You know what I mean? Stop being scared. Post. Don't get caught up in the monetization. It's going to work out once you got more horses in the race. And we got 365 days to do it. So you got to get that 4,000 watch hours in a matter of a year. You can't do that being scared and being timid to post on the... You can't. So you got to get more horses in the race, put some value out there to everybody. And if you're doing 1 to 3 things to help y'all out, look, you going to either look and grab your pencil, grab your notes. If y'all don't know this about me by now, anytime y'all watch me, grab your notes. Pen and paper if ready. If not, just lend it open and free. You know what I mean? Just lend your ear, right? So you're going to do 1 to 3 things. You either going to educate because you got something value to share. You're going to entertain because you want to put a smile on somebody's face, right? Or you're going to be able to empower. Those are 3 E's of where your video could get to. So you could educate, entertain, or empower. So let me bring that empower a little bit. Empowering is like that gasoline I was telling you about, like this video. I want to be able to be that battery in your back right quick. Like this video for the 30, I want that to empower y'all to post. Don't worry about motivation then. You know what I mean? Tap in with the community. Subscribe. Like. You know what I mean? Other people's videos, not just mine. Thank you too. I appreciate you. I saw you just subscribe, and I love you for that. You my mans for that. You know what I mean? Shorty, you get your flowers. You feel me? But honestly, y'all, just put more horses in race, man. Don't get scared. Don't get caught up with what you think is perfect, man. The most imperfect things are the most beautiful things. Think about that. Think about that. A rose, they say the rose is one of the most beautiful flowers, but they got a thorn. So it can't be but so perfect now, is it? So I want y'all to understand that. Let's do it, man. Potential is just another word that ain't done nothing. So I ain't gonna say I got the potential. Go do it. So like I've been saying, it's an 8-figure marathon. So with it being an 8-figure marathon, focus on the journey, not the destination, because success is not a destination. It's what you continually do every day. So showing up for yourself and recording the video, picking up this phone and talking in front of this box, so you get your point across, so you could build that loyalty and that value to your community, right? So you can have brand awareness and you can have a crowd, a group of individuals. It don't even matter if it's 100 people. I'm telling you, it don't matter if it's 100 people, right? So if you got 100 subscribers, you got 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, 3 subscribers, that's more than most. So use what you got and actually just put information out there, because the more you talk in front of here, in front of this screen, and you put this information out there and people understand and we agree with your opinion, I bet no matter what you with, I'm with too, right? Great minds think alike, right? Birds of a feather flock together. So this is the platform where you could build your community. This is the platform where other business opportunities will come across your desk. You feel me? Because now I see the value that you bring. I've been watching you for a while. I seen over how many videos you have, and you seem like a cool cat. Seem like you got your head on right, and you somebody I could do business with. I learned a lot from your video. From actually what you solving is something that I need. How much? Right? So that's the importance, man. Just putting the information out there. Don't worry about monetization. Believe me, it's worth it at the end. We on an 8-figure marathon. You know what I mean? So you just want to lock arms, man. Just tap in, keep digging in, keep watching other videos. Like go on the fast from music too. Go on the fast from music and dig into what we call personal development, PD, like audiobooks, a book, YouTube, go on a binge and just watch a bunch of YouTube videos of personal development, Tony Robbins, Jim Rohn, Reverend Ike, Patrick Ben David with Valuetainment. These just a couple of names to name a few, but these are people that I picked a lot up from. Miles Monroe. It's a lot of people, man. So I just want y'all to go ahead, dive in and cut out the noise, cut off the distractions, and just post, keep posting. Y'all gonna see me often. I'm gonna post all the time, man. We family now. We tied in. We locked in. You feel me? So, yeah, we the mob. We masters of business. That's what mob stand for. Masters of business.